Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Instagram Reels algorithm issue. If you're facing this issue where you are seeing content that you don't want to see or some content that may be inappropriate, in today's video, let me show you how you can fix it. Now, the first thing that you can do is head over to your profile section, which is this page, and then head over to the three lines on the top right. Once you're inside of the settings of Instagram, you can scroll down until you see the section called content preferences. Now there are a bunch of settings that you can manage, such as the first option is the your algorithm option. As soon as you head over, you'll see two options, which is the what you want to see more and which is the what you want to see less of. So let's say if you want to see more of some content, let's say you want to see more of football content, you can just add in the keyword which is football. Like so, you can add in the keyword that you want or the content that you are interested in, and you can tap on this arrow. Similarly, you can also do the keywords that you don't want to see or the content that you don't want to see right inside of this section. Now, apart from this, what you can also do is you can see other sections such as sensitive content. If you don't want to see certain kind of content or don't want to see sensitive content, you can choose one of these options. Also, there is an option of resetting the algorithm or resetting the explore page of your Instagram. You can just tap on the reset suggested content option and then tap on next. Now, apart from these settings, there are some manual options that you can also do, such as if you come across a content that you like, you can just tap on the three dotted line and tap on the interested option. This way, Instagram is going to show you more of these content. So yeah, that's the few fixes that you can try out in order to solve the issue of Instagram Reels algorithm issue. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's got to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.